Looking for the perfect gear to brighten your hunting adventures? In this video, we'll reveal the top 5 best hunting spotlight options that deliver power, durability, and long-lasting performance, ensuring your next outdoor trip is safe, successful, and unforgettable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. FORTO Hunting Spotlight. The FORTO Hunting Spotlight is a true powerhouse designed for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who demand uncompromising brightness and durability. Featuring an ultra-bright 10,000 lumen output, this spotlight can illuminate vast areas with ease, making it a top choice for search and rescue missions, camping, or hunting trips that stretch into the night. The light's intense beam, reaching an extreme 48,000 candela, cuts through the darkness with precision, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Equipped with two 4,500 mAh rechargeable batteries, it delivers long-lasting power to keep you prepared for extended adventures. Durability is another highlight, as the FORTO Spotlight is IPX7 waterproof and resistant to 5-foot drops, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh conditions. Its rugged ABS housing and silicone protective case protect it from dust, impacts, and water immersion. Versatility is also built into this design, thanks to its 7 lighting modes, including spotlight, floodlight, red light, and red flash modes, providing the right illumination for any situation. Adding to its practicality, the spotlight includes a multi-angle rotating stand that allows for hands-free use and flexible lighting direction. This thoughtful feature makes it ideal for both stationary and on-the-go use. Each unit comes packaged in a protective EVA carrying case, along with a charging cable, tripod, and user manual. While its powerful lens can become hot during use, this is a normal occurrence and easily managed with careful handling. Overall, the FORTO Hunting Spotlight stands out as one of the best hunting spotlights on the market, offering a perfect balance of brightness, durability, and versatility to meet the needs of serious outdoorsmen. Number 2. PINSAI Hunting Spotlight. The PINSAI Hunting Spotlight offers hunters a unique blend of hands-free convenience, extreme brightness, and multifunctional performance. Unlike traditional handheld spotlights, this model is designed as a headlamp with an external power source, reducing weight on the head and providing greater comfort during long outdoor activities. The headlight weighs just 5 ounces, while the separate large-capacity battery pack, attached at the waist or placed in a backpack, ensures you won't feel weighed down during extended use. What makes this spotlight particularly special is its induction control feature. By enabling the inductive switch, users can easily turn the light on or off with a simple wave of the hand, which is extremely useful when your hands are dirty or busy with equipment. Equipped with high-performance LED light sources, the spotlight delivers an incredible illumination distance of up to 3,300 feet, making it ideal for spotting game in the distance or navigating dense forests at night. The 22,000 mAh rechargeable battery doubles as a portable power station, capable of charging digital devices via USB or even wirelessly with its 5W charging capability. This feature is especially valuable for hunters who spend long stretches outdoors without access to conventional power sources. Durability is ensured by its aluminum and ABS plastic construction, providing resistance against heavy rain, drops, and extreme temperatures. It is rated IPX4 for water resistance, meaning it can handle splashing from any angle. Number 3. Durapower Hunting Spotlight. The Durapower Hunting Spotlight delivers an excellent balance of brightness, durability, and practical features at an affordable price. Designed to meet the needs of hunters, campers, and boaters, this spotlight produces up to 3,000 lumens, providing a strong and focused beam that reaches up to 1,148 feet. Whether you're tracking game at night or searching across wide open spaces, this spotlight ensures you won't be left in the dark. It comes with 3 different modes, high, low, and SOS, offering adaptability for different outdoor scenarios. Additionally, the spotlight includes a red lens mode, which is highly beneficial for hunters who want to preserve night vision or avoid startling wildlife. Powering the spotlight is a 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery, which delivers up to 6 hours of runtime. With its 5V 2A charging input, it can be fully recharged in just 4.5 hours, making it convenient for daily use. The Spotlight package even includes both a car charger and a home charger, ensuring that you always have a way to recharge whether you're at home or on the move. Durability is another strong point for the Durapower, with its ABS and rubber construction providing impact resistance from drops up to 1 meter. is also IP67 waterproof, meaning it can withstand immersion in up to 3 feet of water without damage. The thoughtful back cover design protects the charging port and battery lock from environmental hazards. Number 4. GOODSMANN Hunting Spotlight. The GOODSMANN Hunting Spotlight is a rugged and dependable choice for hunters seeking a traditional yet high-performing handheld design. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, this spotlight is built to withstand rough outdoor conditions while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Its ergonomic rubberized handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The spotlight delivers an impressive beam distance of up to 850 meters, allowing hunters to clearly spot game from a significant distance. With a maximum brightness of 2,000 lumens, it produces one of the brightest beams in its class, gradually reaching full intensity within a minute of operation. This unique design helps extend the bulb's lifespan while providing consistent illumination. One of its standout features is the adjustable beam, which allows users to switch between spot and floodlight modes with ease. This flexibility makes it useful for both long-distance spotting and wide-area illumination. The spotlight also comes with a convenient 12-volt DC plug and an 8-foot coiled cord, enabling direct power from a vehicle battery for uninterrupted use. Included with the spotlight is a hanging bracket and a nylon carrying bag, making storage and transportation simple. While it is not rechargeable like some newer models, its reliability and compatibility with vehicle power sources make it an excellent choice for hunters who prefer straightforward, dependable equipment. Number 5. GOODSMANN H102-01 Hunting Spotlight. The GOODSMANN H102-01 Hunting Spotlight is an excellent choice for hunters who prefer the warm and reliable glow of a halogen bulb. Delivering 1,500 lumens of brightness, this spotlight may not match the intensity of some LED competitors, but its halogen beam provides a focused and natural light quality that is highly effective for hunting applications. Its range is particularly impressive, reaching up to 2,030 feet, ensuring that hunters can track and observe game from a considerable distance. A standout feature of this model is its Realtree Extra camouflage design, which blends seamlessly into outdoor environments, making it a favorite among dedicated hunting enthusiasts. Durability is another highlight, with the spotlight built from impact-resistant ABS plastic that can endure drops, bumps, and challenging outdoor conditions. Despite its rugged construction, it remains lightweight and portable, ensuring ease of use during long excursions. The ergonomic handle and hand strap provide a secure grip, while its multi-purpose design makes it suitable for a variety of outdoor activities such as fishing, boating, and camping. The package includes practical accessories like a 12V DC car charger and a durable Oxford carrying bag, ensuring convenient charging and safe transport. While it doesn't feature the multiple modes or waterproofing of some advanced LED spotlights, the GOODSMANN H102-01 shines in reliability, long-range performance, and hunting-specific design. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.